leave you guys, but not without playing this last song. And it's the last song on the album. It's the last song on every show. It's my farewell to everybody in the crowd, in your living room, in your car, wherever you're listening to it at. You pick. But this one means especially much to me because of the fact it is the last song, and because it is the farewell. This song is called Requiem. Here we go.
As I'm standing here, right in front of all of you, I start to realize that this is what I want to do. All the time and all the patience that I have put into it is finally paying off with all the things I have put into it. The sacrifices I have made and the people that I followed, advice I had taken all along. It was my voice that hollow. I had never thought that this would become reality. Now I'm up on stage and I can hear you scream for taking me. It's because of you that I get to have this only shot. Trying not to disappoint and give it everything I got. So no more bullshit, I ain't gonna take it all the fucking way. Rise above the top and make you fall in love with fade away. One day you may see me on TV or hear me on the radio or buy a CD, put it in like, okay, here we go. And you're taking every beat, every person, every line, just so you can see what goes on inside of the fragile mind. This is it, the time has come. This will be my requiem. Even when I'm dead and gone, you'll remember all my songs. I have picked my number and now I have been called upon to bring it joy and bring it laughter even after I am gone. This is it, the time has come. This will be my requiem. Even when I'm dead and gone, you'll remember all my songs. It's nowhere close to over and one day I shall return. Yeah. I remember back when I first started rhyming, all of you have laughed at me and said that it was a waste of time and that I would just fail and I would never amount to nothing. But look at me now up on stage, now don't I fucking look like something? Once I was hungry, broken, always smoking weed, above my mooch, still a child, couldn't stand inside of me. Then I grabbed a pen and paper, made a couple banging beats and wrote down every thought and hope that you would try to understand me. If you did, that's your own fault, not my fucking problem. I told you all my stories and the riddles were up to you to solve. I said it plain and simple, don't know how to make it any clear. I just told you what I see when I'm looking in the fucking mirror. Now the ugliness is gone and nasty things I said in the past already can't now wait to drop another album on your ass. But first I gotta bring sin to an end, just to keep you people jamming, just until I shall return again. This is it, the time has come. This will be my requiem. Even when I'm dead and gone, you'll remember all my songs. I have picked my number and now I have been called upon to bring you joy and bring you laughter even after I am gone. This is it, the time has come. This will be my requiem. Even when I'm dead and gone, you'll remember all my songs. It's nowhere close to over and one day I shall return, but until I come again. So many people have helped me get just where I need to be. I'm so fucking lucky to have them standing here beside me. All the support and all the love cannot be compared to tell you what it means to me to know that you were right there. Just how can I pay it back and show appreciation? I don't even know because I've never been put into this situation. Whatever it is, thanks for being there when I needed you most. To all of you I'm talking to, I propose the biggest toast. So here's to you, and thanks for making this possible. I've never done this shit alone, and you are who made it possible. So thank you, Boosie Chris, and my homie Frankie 2 Time, Mom and Dad, Josh and B for all the help and all the time. And another shout out goes to my boy Travis, and I can't forget about Gainesville's own BSP. Everyone world around me is an enormous fucking puzzle piece, and I just got one more thing here left to say. Just before I leave, this is it, the time has come. This will be my requiem. Even when I'm dead and gone, you'll remember all my songs. I have picked my number and now I have it called upon to bring you joy and bring you laughter even after I am gone. This is it, the time has come. This will be my requiem. Even when I'm dead and gone, you'll remember all my songs. It's nowhere close to over, and one day I shall return. But until I come again, can't take this track and feel the fucking burn. Oh my God, I can't believe that it's already come to pass. I happened so fast, I had so fun, I had a fucking blast. I really hope that you all feel the same way that I do right now. So fucking after the peak of my life, who the hell even knows how? Once again, I thank you all for listening. I hope you liked it, and in my life, I know I've never been so damn excited, but sadly it is time for me to pack my shit, go. Thank you all a million times, and this right here concludes the show. This is it, the time has come. This will be my requiem. Even when I'm dead and gone, you'll remember all my songs. I have picked my number and now I haven't called upon to bring you joy, bring you laughter even after I am gone. This is it, the time has come. This will be my requiem. Even when I'm dead and gone, you'll remember all my songs. It's nowhere closer over, and one day I shall return. But until I come again, taking this track and feel the fucking burn.
Thanks again.